Welcome to Insurance Alerts broadcast. I'm Vivek Jain here. Today we have with us the MD of Shriram Life, Mr. Manoj Jain. Welcome to the show, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Vivek. It was always a pleasure talking to you and speaking to your viewers and talking on the insurance.
Sir, my first question to you is the insurance for all by 2047 is the topic of for discussion today. What do you think? It is achievable or it is just a slogan given by IRDA and everybody is trying to do something on that issue?
See, it's not mere a slogan unless you will not have a vision or a mission with you or a target with you. It's difficult to then you will be working, but you will be working without any targets. So from that angle, it's a very welcome move by the regulator that the country like India, when by 2047, a government is talking about that we should become a developed economy, why we should not have insurance for all? It's easily achievable, possible, and I think a lot of work is happening in this direction, not only by regulator, by the industry as well. And a lot of work has already happened in last 20 years. So strong foundation is already there. There are so many life insurance companies are there in place. And so I don't think that anybody is talking this in air. Yes, it's a very, what you call high target. But unless we'll not aim for a big target, we will not be able to achieve.
What is the roadmap for it?
See, the roadmap for this is, if you see, this insurance sector got opened for private players in 2000. And the initial predictions was that the private sector will grow or take maybe at best in first 10-15 years, 10% market share. But if you see, now private sector is having an as high as 50% of the market share, the balance is with LIC. But the overall pie has grown big. If you see the insurance penetration in India, it has gone from 3.69 to 4.57, which itself is a huge jump. And our CAGR growth of, if you see, of last 24 years, it's phenomenal, particularly in life insurance. And the predictions for next 20 years also is going to be in the similar line. Why we are saying this? Because we all know the government data says that in last 10 years, 25 crore people have come out from the poverty line. Now, we are a country of 140 crore people, and insurance is one which touches everyone. And the way affordability is going on, the life expectancy is going on, the income, disposable income is going on, definitely insurance takes a bigger seat in the entire financial planning. So the market is there, potential is there. Now, how to reach to all these customers? So insurance regulator IIDA is talking about three major things, which is not new, but then when something comes from the regulator and the entire industry works together, then definitely the results will be there. So what they're talking about is Bima Sugam, Bima Bahak, and Bima Vistar. Bima Sugam is nothing. It's basically what we're talking, since we are in the digital world. Can a one single platform available for an insurance product, not only life, a bundled product, life, health, property insurance together on a single platform like Amazon? A lot of work is happening, and the complete integration will be there. All the products will be available of all insurance companies, whether it's public sector or private sector, and a bundled product. So Bima Sugam will change the landscape, because insurance company oftenly abuse for having a very lengthy process, a lot of complicated terminology, very lengthy documents. So this will simplify one step. Then we're talking about Bima Bahak. What we're talking Bima Bahak, each individual companies are having the agents. Take example of our company. Probably we are the only company which is having as high as every second policy which we sell is a rural policy. So we have a huge rural network. But this Bima Bahak, what the regulator is planning, that can we have a last mile connect in all panchayats across India. And they are talking that if we can connect the women's of these villages, and they will be the last mile contact for the rural customer who want to buy. And those Bima Wahak will be company agnostic. They will sell the product what the customer want. And the third thing which the regulator is talking about is Bima Bahat, Bima Vistar. What they're talking about in Vistar is making this product available to the last mile with a simplified process. On one click of button, the customer should have very simple products, easy to understand. An entire product journey will be there on the digital platform. So I'm quite gongo. Reason is the country is doing well. The income levels are going up. Every year, a lot of people are coming out from the poverty line. Awareness on insurance is increasing. I'm not saying it has reached to the optimum level. Still, the awareness is missing and it's a long way to go. So with the combination of awareness, working industry together, of making last mile person available at the panchayat level, simple and easy to understand product with simple process, a bundled product. If all these is available, and a lot of work has already happened, and our past performance is also an indicator that our growth is almost double than of the entire world, and the potential is there in terms of population. I personally have no doubt that this insurance for all by 2047 is just mere a slogan. It's going to become a reality. That's what I feel, and I have all reasons to believe that this is the best time for India. This is the best time for insurance industry, both life, general, and health. And one more thing, regulator is mulling that if we can have a composite license. Currently, we have separate license for life, general, and health. If we can have a composite license, and all the three products offering can be available from one single company. So if all these happens, and we have a very progressive regulator, Mr. Panda, who's very proactively working, and he's in a great hurry for all good reasons to take this mission to its desired destiny. So that's what is, as an insurance professional, working in this industry from last 25 years, seen this industry growing, opening for private sector, and probably I'm the longest serving CEO or MD in the industry. I have no doubt that we will not reach to that goal.
Good. That's a good news. What is the role of an insurance company in all this?
The role of insurance companies, if you see currently, provide a product, simple product, easy to understand, make available at an affordable distribution cost or distribution through distribution channels to the common man in India. And when the customer needs you, you should be around to pay the claim. I think this is what is precisely a role of an insurance company. An insurance company can't just work in isolation. We have to have a balance between a customer, a distributor, and an insurance company itself. So if that happens, I don't think it's going to be a difficult task. So the role of insurance companies are to provide a very, very simple and easy to understand product at an affordable rates, and provide a very timely service, especially in terms of claim settlements.
What is the role your company is doing, or what efforts your company is doing in achieving this target?
See, if you see, 10 years back, we were a complete paper company. Now, today, if you ask, we are a digital company. As high as 95% of our insurance policies. And as I said, that we have the largest rural penetration in India in the private sector. So as high as 95% of our proposal forms are getting logged in through digital mode. So we are completely digital ready company. we work on a very advanced algorithm, work very advanced analytical tools, customer propensity, to see that we take the right life at the right price. And when it comes on claim settlement, I'm very happy to say that for a company like us, our claim settlement ratio is as high as 98%. And within that also, the non-early claim, as high as 92% of those we settle within 48 hours. So we have come a long way, because please remember that although we are not a big company, but on number of policy wise, we are among the top 6 or top 7 life insurance companies in India. Our average premium is the lowest in the industry, and we are reaching to the rural. As I said, that probably we will be having the highest rural network among the all private sector insurance companies in India. Every second policy is what we sell as a rural policy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time. And we will be in touch with you for more updates on this issue from times to come.
Okay. Thank you very much. And it was always pleasure talking to your listeners. And thank you once again, Vivek. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.